You slept for exactly 8 hours. You went to bed on time. But when your alarm goes off, you still feel like you got hit by a truck. Why? Here is the harsh truth. Your life, your focus, and your mornings aren't being ruined by a lack of sleep. They're being ruined by something called sleep inertia, and you are triggering it every single morning without realizing it. Most people think energy is just a battery that recharges overnight. It's not. It's a chemical cycle. When you wake up feeling paralyzed, brain fogged, and dreading the day, you assume you just need more rest. So you hit snooze. But that 9-minute snooze button is the exact mechanism destroying your dopamine and spiking your stress for the next 4 hours. To stop ruining your mornings, you have to reset the lab, your brain. Here is the biological rule you must enforce starting tomorrow morning. Rule number 1, the 90-minute light protocol. When you wake up, cortisol naturally spikes to make you alert. If you stay in a dark room or immediately look at your phone, you blunt that spike. You need raw sunlight in your eyes within the first 30 minutes. Stop hiding in the dark. Successful people do not wake up motivated. They wake up to a system. When you remove the friction from your morning, you remove the emotion. You don't have to feel like getting out of bed. You just execute the system. Stop relying on cheap motivation and start building ironclad discipline. If you are tired of losing your mornings, it's time to build a system that actually works. Subscribe to Habit Reset Lab and let's reset your habits. I'll see you in the next one.